Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching TV, and I got a 3x3 right here, a blank one, and I'm going to do what I was doing to my Megaminx, but I'm going to do all those clear.
Hello again.
Those clear holographics. So what I'm going to do is do a 3x3, just like I did the Megaminx. Now the Megaminx I did was different ones, except for this is what I'm going to do that whole 3x3 with. Just this, and that's how it's going to look pretty much. It was a 3x3, and this has other holographic stickers to it. So. This one turns really good. I didn't really do anything to it. And if you want to see the video on it, I just put it out today, so it's out. But I'm going to do this 3x3 on an MF3. I don't know what company makes it. Moyu maybe? Let's see if I can see. Yeah, Moyu. Down here it says Moyu, the company. It needs to be lubed a little bit, gives a little tape. Well, let me get started. Now it's gets tight. Every decision alright. Looking for combos, reading the spread. 3 of a kind, dancing in my head. Drive 4x2, should I lock in or chase that dream? Go all in, scorecard filling, space is gold. Once it's gone, that door is closed. 3x3 or split that play. 2-2-1-1 might save the day. Every category got its own demand. You're playing the dice, but you're playing your hand. This ain't luck now. Alright, I'm back. I was having a little difficulties with my Cricut, but I got the pattern down, and I did the first one, trial and error. It came out pretty good. And the stars are moving, look at that. We got 1 down and 5 to go. It's gonna look pretty good. Nice. Yeah, there you go. Each square has a little heart and some flowers, and that's cool. And then the star all over the place. Please like and subscribe. You already know. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
You are my youth, that's a baby. I love you more than you will ever know. Wait, maybe I can express it, girl. This is how it goes. You are my land, you are my soul. Without my country, I will never be whole. History will never forget. Scribe it on a scroll. We are truly connected like a flag to a pole. We will be worldwide as our precious Super Bowl. Baby, I truly love you. You are my red, white, and blue. All those years in the service, this is the best I can do. Sometimes we fight, sometimes we just don't get along, so I will surely show you by singing this patriotic song. You are my US of A. Baby, I love you more than you will ever know. Wait, maybe I can express it, girl, this is how it goes. You are my land, you are my soul. Without my country, I will never be whole. History will never forget. Scribe it on a scroll. We are truly connected like our flag to a pole. We will be worldwide as our precious Super Bowl. Coming back home to this place, I'm tethered. I feel the exact same when we are together. I live for this land like you and me. We are here forever. Our love is tougher than you. Yes, great leather. You are my US of A. Baby, I love you more than you will ever know. Wait, maybe I can express it, girl, this is how it goes. You are my land, you are my soul. Without my country, I will never be whole. History will never forget. Scribe it on a scroll. We are truly connected like our flag to a pole. We will be worldwide as our precious Super Bowl.
See if I can get this at an angle where you can see what's the light. Oh yeah, right there. Star. Those lines. Heart, upside down, but they're hearts. Those lines. The twinkle stars. The broken glass pattern. Hearts. Twinkles, stars, the plain one. Oh, there you go. You can see the colors a little bit. All right. And the line ones we got. Yeah, I think we got all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stars, heart, those lines, twinkle stars, broken glass, and the plain one. Cool. Those came out good. It came out good. Look, from afar, I don't look like much. When you get it closer, you can see it. Well, I'm going to, maybe I should take a picture of it first. No, I can solve it. Sorry, my camera went off, but I did solve it. Didn't take me too long. This would probably mess up more of a speed cuber than anything. The hearts, the lines, those are the stars, twinkle, hearts. That's the plain one, I think. And broken glass. I think I got all of them. And twinkles. Twinkle in the night. I'll just add it to my collection. And yeah, it seemed like it was pretty good project. I liked it. It gave me a little challenge to solve it, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. If that was a Megaminx, that would drive me crazy. Just like my Spectrum X. That thing gave me a lot of problems, but after 3 days I figured it out, so that's good. So that's it. I am done. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I will try to answer them as much as I can, as soon as I can. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Shiny, sparkling like a star. With every twist and turn, you take me far. In the game of speed, you lead the way. Shiny cube, the glory. Let's play all day. we chase our dreams. You look so shiny, sparkling like a star. With every twist and turn, you take me far. In the game of speed, you lead the way. Shine